This is an excerpt of a Hitfilm tutorial by Spydurhank called Filmer 3D Screen to Hitfilm Pro. In this short video tutorial, Frank shows us how to use the override material settings with 3D models.
But yeah, the modeling part, it literally just takes 2 seconds. I mean, like, I know talking slows me down a bit, but you know, if you go through the video and just cut out the parts, it literally just takes a few moments to actually model something. So we'll bring that guy in, and there's like our single image. And I think it would look better if I inset the screen, but this is just a test. And there's the whole thing. Yeah, it looks like I need some more geometry, but that's okay. This is just a test, or whatever, you know. And yeah, it looks alright. All the bevels came in. Yeah, all the bevels came in nice. And you know, obviously in Filmer you don't have to, I mean, if you model, if you create something properly, you don't have to triangulate or whatever. Most people, the reason they have to triangulate is because they have no other way to say it, but you have a mesh that wasn't built properly. I mean, that's how it is. But let's see, for the screen, I don't need any of this stuff turned on, so I could either turn down the roughness and the specularity or whatever, and everything goes away. Whoops. Or if everything's turned up, I could just, whoops, wrong thing. Sorry, didn't mean to do that. What I meant to do was this: turn the specular black, and boom, it's gone. So either way works. And I think that's okay. That's alright. So advanced, I'm just gonna do that because I always do. Oh, you know what? I gotta import. I do want a material override, so I'm gonna select that guy, import maps, click OK. Then let's turn that into a composite shot. Should I leave it that size? Should I? Yeah, well, give me a moment. Let me import the image sequence. So here's the same video that we're going to use. So yeah, let me just throw that into a comp by itself. 3107, 517. Alright, that's alright. Alright, so this is going to be our video, I believe. So I'm going to duplicate it. Jump in there. Rename it. Then I'm going to toss, let me turn that off really quick. I don't need it. Toss this guy in there. Create a new light, which creates a new camera. Move the light so we can see everything. Go into the object. Override materials. We'll pick the screen. Map. Diffuse map source. We'll use layer. And we'll grab this guy. Let me delete that. Then we'll grab this composite shot, turn it off, apply it over here into the diffuse map layer. And when we hit play, now we have our video. So, I mean, if you look, we didn't have to do any scaling or mathematics or anything crazy like that. We can just do things simply. But we could also quickly animate the camera. Let's see, position, rotation, skip to the end. Maybe something like that. Whoops. Let me approach that a bit differently. I'm sorry. Let me delete those. So instead, yeah, let me move this guy in. There we go. I mean, that's a little bit better, but let's see. Yeah, that'll work. I mean, that's about it. It's not like we're gonna put it into a scene, but that's basically how you would do a monitor. If you're gonna model it yourself or create one, I mean, you can make a flat one, you can make a curved one. Obviously, this is curved like crazy. I mean, it's, dude. Whoops. I mean, it came out all right. But yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, so nothing is warped or stretched along this surface, because I mean I should give it more geometry just to make sure, but it actually comes out pretty good, you know, right off the bat.